All right, guys, there we go. EJ25. You can see I got the head out of this side already. Look at that piston right there. Not bad, I guess. I cleaned this side already. You can see the face, the deck of the head. I use fine sandpaper and then a Scotch Brite, sand it down. This side here needs some work, but so far so good. So I'm gonna show you how to take out the other side over here. So you just need to take out this maybe 6-8 bolts right here for the valve cover, and then we'll take out the head bolts right after. So let's get started. All right, so you can see 3 on the top, 2 in the middle, and then 3 in the bottom. So we're just gonna quickly take them out of here. All right, so be careful, guys. It's gonna start dripping fluid here when you crack this thing open. Just gonna wiggle it out. Alright, I guess it's not bad. A little bit of fluid, but it's not that bad. Next is this cam trays, 10 bolts right here, and then it's 10 bolts as well. So we're just gonna quickly take those out. There's a little bit of marking on those camshaft, and then the journal right here. It's not that bad. We're just gonna sand it down with like maybe 100 or 1,000 grit on this, and then it should be good. All right, we're just gonna take out this line right here for the oil to go to the solenoid. Okay, we're just gonna use a 17 mil to remove this fitting right here. Same thing on this side. And this thing has a copper washer on this thing, so you don't reuse the old one. You're gonna need the brand new one every time when you take out this copper washer out. Replace it with a brand new one. There you go. All right, so take out these bolts, and then this cam tray is gonna come out pretty soon here. 4 more bolts right here that we need to take out, 10 mil. So here we go. No more bolts that attach to the cam trays to the head. So you're gonna use a pry bar. There's low tabs right here. I see that. You're gonna rest your pry bar on the deck, and then you pry these low tabs right there on the corner, just like that. Watch for the oil. You're gonna have leak oil on a bit here. Well, I'm gonna take out this cam seal so it's easy to get this thing out. Don't reuse this old one. We need the new one for sure. There we go. Watch for the cam. You don't want to get that cam fall on you. Okay, not bad. There you go. We're gonna clean this up. There's a little bit of a mark right there. Well, take a look at this cam, see how bad they are. All right, guys, so we're gonna take out these head bolts right here. Those are triple square socket right there, 14 mil. We're gonna take those out. There's a pattern to take this out. I'm gonna quickly show you here. So here's the pattern from top right corner, A, B, C, D, E, F. So zigzag, okay, crisscross. And then from start right here, down, up like that. All right, let's quickly do that here. All right, here we go. It's a lot better to push down than pulling it up. All right, guys, so it's all loose now. We're just gonna use the impact to take them out. Some kind of grease on that thread here that whoever assembled this, that's a lot of grease, and it stink. It's not like a oil or anything. It's like a, I don't know, it smells like a piss. Look at that. More grease in there. Put too much in there. That's a lot. There you go. That one's good. before you take out this head right here, be careful with those buckets, okay? You don't want to drop them. You don't want to mix them up. It has to go, if you drop them, it has to go to the same spot where it was from before. There we go. I'll quickly show you the bottom. Make sure to clean all this debris right around here. There's dust. We don't want that to go inside the cylinder. So just use a vacuum quick. Alright guys, right there. There you go. This is the bare block now. We're going to be splitting this thing in half. That will be in our next video. Okay, so stay tuned on that. But for now, we're just going to check out what we done here. There's a CamShaft sprocket. We're going to be cleaning all this up. You can see all the cover right there is all gunked up. Cleaning her up. And here's the head. Make sure label them up. Okay. Label them up. We're going to be cleaning this up right here. We're going to grind something on the bowl right there. Especially this camshaft right here. There's some marking right there. We're gonna sand those things down with 400 grit and then 80 and then 1000 after. Same thing with this one right here. That would be in a couple next video. I'm just gonna do a quick video on that one because those are boring stuff. But for now we're just gonna carry on, move on. So some of this stuff we're gonna have to get a brand new timing chain, oil pump, oil cooler, head gasket kits, pretty much all the head gasket and washers and seals. We're gonna reuse our old water pump, but we're gonna put a brand new gasket on it. So that's it guys. Now we're gonna crack this thing open. We're gonna investigate our rod knock. That will be the next video. So stay tuned. Thumbs up, give me a like. See you guys again in our next one.